Oh, this guys barbecue food today. Now food. Hello, Chip. This is my Chip. My brother. Isan kebab, chicken kebab, na?
Beef.
Ayun,
Chicken,
beef.
this one beef.
It's Tuesday, every Tuesday, make barbecue. So, onions with what this called? Onions what? Brother?
Yeah, onion, parsley.
Parsley. Yes, onion as parsley. This one guys, so remove stick. Quickly remove.
5 minutes.
Okay, thank you for watching. Shukran, Habibi.